My name is Andy Russell and I'm the Level 3 Programmes Manager here at BioGrad Education. So here at BioGrad Education we have a wide range of short and longer term courses that are suitable for students who are hoping to go on into further studies in science or medicine. We see these courses as a really great chance for students to test drive their chosen career so that they can make a more informed decision about their next steps. We focus on teaching real practical skills that students can take advantage of when they make the move to medical school or university. We provide comprehensive evening activities for students who join us. These evening activities provide a great chance for students to socialise outside of the laboratories and clinics and to build friendships for life. At the end of our training courses, students leave us with newly acquired practical skills, experience in real work in laboratories and clinics, and an expanded network of like-minded peers.
Hello, I'm Dr. Natalie Kenny and I'm the CEO of the BioGrad Group. BioGrad is located in Liverpool because it's one of the northern powerhouse cities for science. We have the Knowledge Quarter here, we have the Infection Innovation Consortium here, the Pandemic Institute is in Liverpool, the Royal College of Physicians is in Liverpool, the School of Tropical Medicine is in Liverpool, we have the second biggest telescope in the world run from Liverpool, we have SciTech Daresbury, and the new Paddington Village. So there's a huge amount of investment and research being undertaken in Liverpool. It is the perfect location to come to for a residential where you really want to be at the site of cutting edge science.